Hi everyone, welcome to J&D Gardens. We're here in Garden North today and we're going to do a quick video on how to trim your basil. Now we've been getting a lot of rain and it's great for the garden as you can see, but these basil plants are actually well over 2 feet tall and I think that it's time to cut them back. So they've actually come a long way from when we first started them. Okay, so as you can see, our babies came a long way. Now, you never want your basil to get too tall because they could start flowering, and if they start flowering, it could affect the taste of the leaves where it gets bitter. So if you see that, then what you want to do is you can either snap off the flower or you can actually take your snips, which I prefer to do, and you just cut it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and cut these way back because they really need it. Right. Okay, so when cutting, you want to make sure that you have a nice sharp pair of pruners. Now, I've been using these Fisker pruners for years and I love them. But what I found is that Fisker's actually makes a smaller pair, which is like a needle nose plier, and it actually allows me to get into tight spaces, especially working with basil. Kind of like this. So let me move the leaf so you can see. Like that. Okay, so I'm trying to make everything uniform as far as the height and still keeping growth on the leaves. So when you're harvesting, you may have longer stems and shorter stems. That's okay. You don't have to keep it uniform, but we like to keep it uniform here. So I'm going about the same height. And we were lucky that not too many flowered, so we got it in the nick of time. See, now this is going to be a short one because I'm keeping with the same height. I want to keep those leaves, I want as many leaves as possible on the bottom branch. This leaf, but it's a leaf and it's growth, and it means it's going to keep growing. And the thing I love about basil is the smell. I love the smell of basil. We love to put these on our pizzas. They're a great addition. And this really doesn't take too long. Okay, so I notice it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna try and hurry up and get these all cut before it really starts raining. Okay, so it's really starting to come down now, but look at all this fresh basil, and it smells absolutely delicious. And look at these plants over here. They look like they could be harvested again, but I didn't want to cut them too short. So just remember, when harvesting, actually just get it right before it flowers, and if it does flower, just snip it off. Okay, so if you like this video, please let us know by leaving us a comment, and be sure to hit like and subscribe. And I'm actually gonna make a mad dash to the house before it really comes down. But remember, until next time, yes we canna.